Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to remove a member from a group on the Instagram app when you're using it on your PC, especially after the latest update. Whether you're managing a group chat for friends, family, or work, knowing how to control group members is essential. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side menu where you'll find several icons. Click on the Messages icon. It looks like a paper airplane or a messenger bubble. This will take you to your direct messages and group chats. Next, find and open the group chat from which you want to remove a member. Once inside the group conversation, look for the info icon, usually represented by an eye inside a circle. This icon is typically located at the top right corner of the chat window. Clicking it will open the group details. In the group details section, you'll see a list of all the members currently in the group. Scroll through the list until you find the member you want to remove. Next to their name, there will be 3 vertical dots. This is the options menu for that specific member. Click on those 3 dots, and a small menu will appear. From the options presented, select Remove from Group. Instagram will then ask you to confirm your choice to ensure you don't accidentally remove someone by mistake. Confirm the removal, and just like that, the member will be removed from the group chat. They will no longer be able to see or participate in the conversation, unless they are added back later. That's all there is to it. Removing a member from a group on Instagram using the PC app is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. This feature helps you keep your group chats organized and ensures that only the right people are part of your conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most out of your Instagram experience. See you next time.